Happy birthday, Sian! Welcome to the Christian world!
Let the moment take us while we hold on tight. Tomorrow never knows, so let's live for tonight. For tonight. Hands up, screaming.
Happy first birthday, Sian! Welcome to Christian world!
I found a happy place, forever happy days. I'm singing.
Sa pagkakataong dumating ang panahon na lumaki na at tawagin ng Panginoon si Sian sa isang buhay ng paglilingkod sa Diyos, ipinapangako ba ninyong hindi niyo siya ipagkakait?
Opo, Pastor.
We're singing, we're singing.
Happy birthday, Sian! We are so much blessed to have you. You are truly indeed a gift from God, and we treasure you. We celebrate you today. And I'm so much proud of you. Every milestone, every achievement, every time you try to do your milestones, speak your mama and daddy, every time that you wake up and greet us with your smile, we are so much thankful and we love you.
I found a happy place, forever happy days. I'm singing, I'm singing. I found a happy place, it's written.
Every time na ako po'y naghahandog ng bata, ay binabanggit ko po na ang mga sanggol ay hindi po sila binabautismuhan po sa tubig. Sapagkat po yung bautismo sa tubig, yan po'y bautismo ng pagsisisi ng kasalanan ng tao.
We're singing, we're singing. I found a happy place.
Happy
forever
birthday,
happy
Sian!
days. I'm singing, I'm singing. I found a happy place. It's written on my face. We're singing, we're singing. I found a happy place. Forever happy days. I'm singing, I'm singing. I found a happy
God's best for him. I want to see God's plans unfold in his life. Wherever he will go, I want him to manifest God in his life.
written on my face. We're singing, we're singing. We're singing. I found a happy place. We're singing.
Napaganda po ng pangalan po ni Sian. Alam niyo po yung meaning po ng Sian? Ewan ko kung alam niyo yung meaning ng Sian. It means enduring one. Wow. At ang meaning po ng Asher is happiness.
Actually, yung name na Sian, derived siya sa pangalan ko. It's a shortcut ng pangalan ko, which is Christian. So, kinuha ko yung first letter and then yung last 3 letters ng name ko, C-I-A-N. So, basically, he's my junior or my mini-me. And I would like him I want to teach everything that I know to him, pass on everything that I know. And hopefully, and he will be, and I believe that he will be a better version of himself.
Happy birthday, Sian! I always pray and declare God's blessing, anointing, and favor upon your life because I want nothing but God's best for you. And I want you to grow to be the man God has planned you to be. So, happy birthday and we love you so much.